Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Range Rover Evoque Autobiography. So first thing we do is make sure Bluetooth is on, like so. Then we're watching out at the bottom. We go over to the system, we click the telephone. It comes up on the menu, search new because there's nothing connected to it. Click on there, vehicle to device. Just looking for the phone. I've just deleted it from this system, so no doubt confused it a little bit, taking longer than it would normally. It's usually very quick. So hands-free, that will probably change in a second. Oh, no, that's somebody else's. That's somebody else's Bluetooth there, Ford Audio. So here we are on the screen here, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro there. To pair and connect phone, enter 0985 on handset. 0985. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Connecting to Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. Where are we? Be on here somewhere. Got that many. Phone connected. Range Rover connected. That's it.